Hi friends, let me show you this new car seat that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really useful. You put it in the passenger seat and you can bring your pet with you in this kind of hammock or seat. You can use this bag to put anything that you have to bring with you, like bags for your dogs or whatever. And you have this nice carpet to put your pets. Okay, let's try it. Friends, we are going to install our dog seat so they can ride with us really easily. Just put that in and he's ready for the trip. Perfect. Look how happy he is in his car seat. And you can you have this cord to leash him to the seat so he can go with you. Okay, so as you can see, it's a nice way to bring your pet with you. Really happy and comfortable. Let's go to the trip, Milo. If you like to go with your pets on a trip and you want them to go comfortable, this is a great option. And you can see he's leashed to the seat, so he can't go away if you open the door in a gas station or wherever you stop, okay? So Milo, do you like your seat? Perfect, thank you.